Okay, so right now I'm trying to film a little wind. Let's see how much wind is gonna show up. See, the trees are moving. There's like a lot of wind over here. I guess if the wind is blowing, it's blowing pretty good. I might try to control the wind if I get to the strength to actually move it right. I only do like my strength is not all that much at it, but I'm working at it. Sometimes I could even like slow lessen the wind so that it doesn't make too much, or sometimes I could intense it. But right now there's not that much wind except for this one coming in. Well, if you got the eyes that could see the wind clearly, like you could see the leaves and stuff, that would be pretty cool. Or maybe it's just a little bit see-through, but still, like it depends on your eyes. Like you know how Superman could read X-ray and understand it and see it perfectly, or some people could see energy and stuff and auras and stuff. Their obedience is pretty cool. Their build is pretty cool, but right now it's just some wind, a little bit coming my way, which is pretty cool. I like the feeling of it. Oh no. Let's see if you'll find any planes. Sound like a plane. But it's just a car over here. Yeah, it's just a car passing by. And some bird moving. Alright. Some other birds. My neck is a little stiff and hard right now. I don't know if I got some weights on it or the body shape shift is like super hard and I can't really control it perfectly. But once I get total control, I know that fight is pretty cool. Sometimes it's like, okay, the wind moving over here. Let's see if I could lessen it. Okay, it's going down, but I don't. Okay, let's see if I could intense it. But I can't do that well. It's still strong over here. It's getting a little stronger. I don't think they're trying to frame me, but it'll be cool. It's still a little bit less. Once I get the effects all good and all these stuff showing up, and then all these other things I could work and do some more designs, I'll see how rich I am in showing you all these other tricks and doing all these other stuff. Where hey, my body feeling a little lighter. It's like either I'm losing control or something else. Okay, it's like the wind went down or my body is a little bit harder and not feeling that well. It's like my backbone is, yeah, my backbone gets a lot stronger. I don't know if it's a lot stronger. There's no planes. I haven't seen some planes for a while. Maybe you might find some planes. Usually I do find planes around. And we're still watching the wind blowing the trees and stuff, which is pretty cool. So once I get the wind control, the wind manipulation thoughts right, and I know the obedience right and how to manipulate it right and show you the rest of the controls, it'll be cool. So oh yeah, there's some wind coming in. It's pretty little bit. Okay. I guess the bird is sensing off of my stuff and telling some people stuff. You know, they be listening. Who else be having the obedience to listen to them? And all these other stuff. Okay. So it's like, yeah, it's pretty cool. Once I get the stuff ready, maybe I might put like one of the selfie thing and try to move the wind right and try to control it right and show you some more stuff if I get my strength a little bit stronger. But hopefully my stuff don't lose control and destroy a whole bunch of stuff. So gotta learn the rifle method to keep it safe and keep it good and not in wrecking the stuff, wrecking a lot of things or putting a whole lot of things in danger. So yeah, you know, it's a hard job to maintain it. Sometimes you be getting attacked to lose control, or somebody tries to steal or copy or all these other stuff. You know, all these other things that be going on. There's a whole bunch of different fights that be going on. If you could hear it and understand it and try to either learn how to control it right and learn how to move it right and try to grant some good safety and not mess up. There's like a lot of other stuff. Yeah. I get some wind coming in. Like, yeah, yes, it's not the most dangerous thing, is it? You got the most dangerous thing to actually keep under control, and your fight is always trying to control it and trying to keep it safe. Yeah, that's one thing that goes on. You know, if you miss, the world is destroyed. One, that's not ability that. Well, it's ability that if you have to control it, it'll be take a lot of control and a lot of fights to keep it safe. If it's mostly out of control, like it randomly be getting a lot of feeds of messing up a lot. So it's like a lot of other stuff and just working at it. So snow planes. Let's see if you see any planes, any more planes, or something in the brain. I don't think they'd be attacking with some other stuff. See, I don't know. It'll be like still thinking smart while they attacking with some angers and some other tricks and all these other stuff. See, and try to learn how to maintain it right. Yeah, and probably trying to grant some confusion and all these other stuff so that they could gain control over it and do some other things. You know, there's a whole bunch of stuff. But if you win the battle and still maintain, keep your control and not lose it, it's pretty cool. So we just working at this. If I see a plane, okay, we looking for some planes. Maybe you'll see a trail of a plane flying by. You see some birds. Yeah, there's some birds over here, but no plane. The moon is out there, just a little slither. Yeah, it's still cool. In the daytime, the moon is showing up, which is pretty cool. Let's see, I almost see my eye looking like there's a plane trail somewhere. I don't think they're moving very fast or just another thing. Okay, let's see if we spot them. He's searching for a little bit. Hopefully it's not an illusion. It's like no planes right now. Are we catching it? It's like all the clouds over there. Trying to think through some planes. Okay, there go a plane. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's try to get this. Okay, we got a plane. Where is it at? Oh yeah, there it is. Let's see. Let's see if we could catch a plane or right there. It's a trail over there. If we spot another one. Hold on. Maybe there might be more. There might be more planes. It's a plane flying by. That sound coming in. I think they're flying. Okay, let's see if we spot another one. Maybe we might get 3 or something. But we already spotted one plane, but I couldn't zoom in all the way for it. You'll see that it's not an illusion. Alright. Okay. Let's try to find another one. See, if I obey, I should find it. I should get another feed. Okay, I think they trying to keep it all right and stuff. We're working at it. If there's any other planes. The clouds getting darker over there. It looks so beautiful. Look at the way that the texture is. It's like dark and shiny and all grayish and it's really cool. See, it's like all beautiful. I like the way they look. If it shows all the stuff, maybe shine with some silver light showing off of it with like a that would be looking pretty beautiful. I've been watching it. Like a lot of cool stuff. Hold on, if we spot another plane flying by. Trying to make it to another plane. Come on, another plane could show up. That was a trail of one plane. I ain't trying to find another one. Okay. You doing good? There's some cars around. Just a car. I think it's just a car sounding like that. In my hearing, it better not be like super hearing. And then I know it was really cool. The one with Superman's one when he was hearing all this stuff. He had to put some stuff to keep himself from hearing it. And when he tried, it's like too much noise coming in from the city, especially since he could hear from that far, and they're pretty loud. And you gotta fight to try to keep it steady and get used to it. Okay. Trying to see if there's any more planes. Almost look like a plane passed by. Okay. Okay, the clouds are clearing up. Yeah. Okay. It's somewhat clearing up. So we might spot some more planes. My brain is still being pressured and all this other stuff. It'll be fun if you find like the weather and the clouds being like your friends or partners, or something that you got to do, so that you got to be with and play with, and think so that you could fly or something. You work with them, work with the weather, and try to get a lot of stuff working so you can move a lot easier through it. Okay. Hey, almost look like a plane. Okay. No illusion. Boy, they were trying to attack with the jealousy. See, the clouds building right now. When I move through, I guess it just be building. It was clearing up a little bit, but I guess I'm moving through it, building again. Yeah, it's building. Like, I'm just thinking they almost built a little bit over there. Okay, see the sun. Birds. Oh man, it's been a long time. Usually you can find some planes pretty quickly. Alright, still gotta fight. If I'm an absorption feed, I'll be absorbed. So if it's that, if I'm not, then I'll still have control and know how to fight right and stay in the right stuff. My thoughts are in some weaklings or very strong. You'll figure it out. Probably win our battles against a lot of people, a lot of things. I guess my clouds are moving. If it's like the flights clouds are moving or something, it'll see what we build. And if those builds, you get to fly and stuff. Okay, we still haven't found no plane, but we did see a little bit. Usually we find it. Okay, there go a plane. Hold on, where is it? Okay, see, there's a plane flying. Still not an illusion. We spotted one. Yep, there's a plane flying. And there you go. We got a plane. We got ourselves a plane. Yeah. Hey, thanks for flying. Alright. Clouds are good. Okay. Let's see. That should be it for today. Let me see. Let it hit 20. And then we could try to get some more stuff. Okay. Let's try to zoom back out. Okay. Okay. Alright. Seems like we got ourselves a plane. And it was a big and closer one. It was pretty cool. So We just working at it. It's like, you know, everything seems safe and pretty good. All right, thanks. I hope y'all enjoy. See you next time.